This video is how to use a calculator to multiply and divide in scientific notation. So I've got a couple different calculators here, and if I want to put a number in using this calculator, so if I want to put in 3.75 times 10 to the 6, let me slide this up a little bit. The key here is I never type in the times sign or the number 10. Don't do the times or the number 10. So if I do 3.75, this EXP button down here means times 10. So don't type in the times and don't type in 10. Just put EXP and put a little exponent. Put in the exponent power, which in this case is a 6. So that means, 3.75 EXP 6 means 3.75 times 10 to the 6th times 5.96 EXP 6. It equals 2.23 times 10 to the 13th power. Okay, so again, that does not mean 2.23 to the 13th power. It means 2.23 times 10 to the 13th power. On this calculator, same problem, I would do 3.75. I hit second function, apostrophe. So second function is that double E button, which means times 10. Type in the exponent, which is a 6, times 5.96. Second function, this. Again, that means times 10 to the 8th power. So the only time I hit the multiplication sign was between my two numbers when I multiplied. Enter, and I get that. So notice there's two kind of different answers here. I will not take either one of those answers on your paper. The answer in your paper should say 2.23 or 2.24 times 10 to the 15th power. So 2.24 times 10 to the 15th power. If you are doing this with a negative exponent, okay, if you have to type in a negative exponent, I will show you that once. So if I was doing 5.54 EXP, we want 10 to the negative third. So remember, the EXP means times 10. And I type in the number 3 with a negative sign. Times 2.11. Again, EXP means times 10. Exponent is 4, negative sign, equals 1.17 times 10 to the negative 6th. On this calculator, it would be 5.54. Again, don't type in the times 10. Second function, double E button. I have to do the negative sign, so I got to do negative sign 3 for my exponent. Negative 3. Times 2.11, second function, apostrophe, negative 4, hit enter. Okay, again, I have those two answers. We'll put 1.17 times 10 to the negative 6th power is your answer. Other problems are pretty similar. Just addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, changing the sign in the middle.